Hey guys, this is just a demo. I'm trying to see if it'll work, if you guys will watch it. I will still be using Schoology for most of the stuff. The calendar is being updated when I put stuff in there. So like today, I added how to join Remind. So if you click on that, it will take you to the page on how to join Remind. It will give you like a step-by-step stuff. This is my page, so don't worry about that. But if I need to add anything else like videos or anything, I will add them on here. Also, if you go back to the home page in Schoology, at the bottom there is a PDF that tells you how to join my class. So if you haven't joined my Remind course where I send you messages and you can text me, this is how you can join my class. You can text this number, this message to this number right here. Okay? So you can find it on the Schoology page. If you go to the portal has this new app that we're going to be using. It's called Ingenuity. It looks like, let me exit off of this one. When you click on it, this is what it looks like. Let me circle it so you can see it. This one's it. Okay, so just look for it. When you click on it, it will ask you if you're a student or an educator. Of course, you're going to click student. And if you're not signed in, you need to be signed in. And that's, you need to be signed into the portal. And then it'll tell you what courses you are signed into. I am signed into the Algebra 1 course because I signed myself up. But you guys will have maybe about 5 to 7 courses on here depending on what courses you guys are going to be taking. So when you click on it, it's going to have like where you start. You can just, let me move this out of the way. You're going to have to do all of these. There's 2 different topics. There's factoring polynomials and then there's solving quadratics. If you click on solving polynomials, there's different topics underneath there, and then at the very end there's a unit test. You cannot skip any of these and go straight to the test. Okay? You have to go one at a time. So when you click here, it takes you to here. So you start off with a warm-up, then there's some sort of instruction, then there's a summary, assignment, notes, whatnot. Then at the end, there'll be a quiz. Then you move on to the next topic. Oops. Then you move on to the next topic. And then it goes again, warm-up, instruction, summary, an assignment that you have to do, lesson notes, and a quiz. Lesson notes, you need to be writing them somewhere because when it asks you to turn it in, you need to turn it in using a picture or whatever, and you can turn it in to me on Remind, or you can just copy and paste your notes on here. Okay, then you go to the quiz, and then it takes you to the next one. Guys, if you finish all of these, all of this, then you're done with Algebra 1. Okay, that's all you need to do. I will be giving out grades every week based on how much you've done throughout the week. You can ask me questions on Remind. We're also going to be having it's like a room where we can like video chat just in case you have questions, but I will be posting that on Schoology as well. Okay, I'll be posting it in Schoology, whether it's on the calendar or I'll send it out on Remind. But if you have any questions, I will be making more videos as soon as I hear more information about Ingenuity and how it's going to work. But again, you go through the portal, portal.pasadenaiz.org. You sign in, you click on Ingenuity, and then that will take you to here, home page, and then your courses. Okay? Again, if you don't know how to get into Remind, let me go on here so you can see it. How do I get in here? Let me see. It's in Schoology, so just click right here, how to join Miss Messa's Remind. And sorry, that's the baby. Let me see. Right here. Here's how you join. Okay, and if you can join for whatever reason, send me a message on Schoology with your phone number, and I will add you to my Remind. Okay, you can send me a message on here. Let me see. Right here, you see where it says messages? Click on messages and then send me a message. New message, and then you can type my name, Elizabeth Mesa, and you can send me a message there.